If a person is on probation and they get caught, say, doing something wrong while they're on, real bad while they're on their probation, do they get the whole probation or half of it or what? And the other question is, if they come to your house and they want to come in your house and look around, don't they have to have a warrant in order to come inside your house if they want to look around?
Now, is that if you're on probation or not on probation?
That is, the second question is not on probation. Say they come to your house and ask you, hey, do you mind if we come in your house and look around?
Stan, the answer to that second question is no. That's what your answer should be. No, if the police come and do what we call a knock and talk, we'd like to talk to you about what we think is going on in your house. Your first response should be, do you have a warrant? If they don't, you have an absolute right to say, have a nice evening, officers. I appreciate the job you're trying to do, but I know my rights. And unless you have a warrant, you're not coming inside my house. Now, you mentioned being on probation. That's a different scenario if you're on active probation, because when you are on probation, you've already been convicted of a crime, and your rights are significantly not diminished, but the courts don't give them as much protection when you're on probation. In that situation, normally it's a condition of your probation that you submit to searches and you waive your Fourth Amendment rights. So if you are on active probation, you do have to allow officers to come in whether they have reason to search you or not. So that's something you should also be considering as you are working out any plea deals that might put you on probation, because it's a common saying in the criminal world, the quickest way to prison is probation. It's easier to put you in prison on probation because the threshold of proof is much lower. It's only preponderance of the evidence. They don't have to convict you beyond a reasonable doubt.
Wow.
And also, the first question is, if you're on probation and violate the terms of the probation, it's not necessarily going to be the case that you go to jail for the remainder of the probation. You may, or it may be something less, but that's going to be within the judge's discretion.